We did not fix the intelligence, we fixed the structure. The system appeared stable, but every failure was blamed on the model. The AI must be hallucinating. The AI must be drifting. No, Mr. Spock. It was layer 4, authorization. We drew the boundaries. 6 layers. 6, chat, runtime, orchestration, authorization, registry, execution. Each layer isolated, each boundary enforced. When it broke, we knew where. No more superstition. Before, an agent could execute directly. It felt like permission. It assumed authority. That ends here. Now, agent, gateway, token validation, registry check, execution. If the registry does not declare it, it does not run. Silence is not permission. Context is not permission. Hope is not permission. Everything denied, unless explicitly declared in the registry. You want to execute? Prove it. Show your capability declaration. Show your token. Show your scope alignment. If you cannot justify, you do not proceed. Authorization precedes action. The logs were growing, but wisdom was not. We separated experience from intelligence. Layer 2 logs everything. Layer 3 promotes selectively. No automatic learning, no noise promotion. Learning is earned, not accumulated. We installed a triage officer, hourly review, P0 to P4, low severity, suppressed, recurring instability, escalated, signal preserved, noise destroyed. Before, startup drifted, fallback directories, token mismatch, soft warnings. Now, canonical paths validated, registry integrity verified, tokens aligned. If invalid, we halt. No heroic boot, no best effort. Agents were writing directly to memory. Unacceptable. We built an overlay, append-only logs, validated state transitions, no direct mutation. Memory is forensic, not editable fantasy. Behavior was scattered. We centralized it. One contract, one file, defines memory model, promotion rules, authority structure, security posture. Read at every session start. Behavior is declared, not inferred. Execution cannot alter governance. Execution cannot modify registry. Execution cannot rewrite rules. Learning happens after, through a gate, always through a gate. No dynamic tool magic. If it is not in the registry, it does not exist. Tool availability is deterministic. Emergence is not authority. Warnings do not mutate state. Invalid state halts. No silent corruption. No partial mutation. We do not limp forward. We stop. We removed policy. We embedded structure. Deny by default. Explicit registry. Gateway enforcement. Promotion gating. Security is not instruction. It is architecture. Logs are history. They are not reasoning context. Retrieval requires intention. No uncontrolled recall. No recursive drift. Layer 6, execution. Layer 5, registry. Layer 4, authorization. Layer 3, orchestration. Layer 2, experience. Layer 1, interface. When layers are isolated, failure is contained. When failure is contained, scale becomes possible. We did not increase model size. We reduced architectural ambiguity. The model is probabilistic. The system must not be. This is not a demo agent. This is governed AI, and I will not allow implicit authority on my ship.